Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone meets requirements. Android 8. 0 or higher, at least 2 GB RAM, and roughly 2 GB free space. Once done, sign into your Google account and make or confirm a Nexon ID so saves sync. Make sure Play Store works on your device. If not, allow installs from trusted sources, but only use official Nexon releases. These preparations avoid wasted time later and let you move straight to obtaining the game. Next, get the correct app. First, try the Google Play Store and search for the official Nexon Maplestory entry. Install directly if available. If the store blocks your region, connect a reputable VPN to a country where the game's published, clear Play Store cache, and reopen until the app appears. If you must use an APK, only download from Nexon's verified distribution and verify the app signature. Install and grant required permissions. These steps ensure you have an authentic client. Finish by installing and launching the game. Accept initial patches and let it download large data sets over Wi-Fi to avoid failures. Log into your Nexon ID to sync progress and confirm storage and network permissions so updates run. If the client fails, clear the Play Store and app cache, uninstall and reinstall, or reconnect the VPN to the region the game requires. Also check that your device date/time is correct. That one troubleshooting tip resolves most region and update issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.